Happy New Year. I mean, oh my bad. Happy New Year. But still, Frazier Boy TV 09/2010. Where I'm at, you say? I mean, well, yeah, where I'm at. My bad. Yeah. Where I'm at. Do this look familiar to any of y'all? Do this look familiar? Do you see fish? Have you ever even been to a restaurant with fish like just swim around? Or you used to McDonald's and Burger King? This you don't see shit. Look at this. You in China, Frazier Boy? No, I ain't no China. I'm in Formosa's. Yeah, where everybody at, Frazier Boy? It's a good restaurant. You say that? I got it shut down for the 2010. So, yeah, I do big things like that, you know. So, you should come out here. I mean, you should come here when I'm not here, because when I come here, I shut the motherfucker down. I would show you the red carpet, but, we didn't sat down. I mean, excuse me, I didn't sat down already. But, yeah, can you, show them my camera? Thank you. But, you need to take a look at Frazier Boy, man. I have the black Jesus piece. I have, well, you know, it's, yeah, black lantern hat, and get the polo boots. You feel me? I do big things on here. Flannel shirt. Nobody can rock a flannel shirt like me. Nobody rock jewels like me. Yeah, energy shot shouty. Everything shouty. Tack shouty. You feel me? Look at this restaurant here. Go look at it. Do a 360, please. Sits around, you know what I'm saying? Take a little walk around here. Yeah. That's how I do around here, you feel me? If you with me, you have expect nothing but the best. I can't go in there because lights off. But I will be back 2010, another whole year of Frazier Boy TV. Number of guest appearances, going on trips, gonna be on camera, everything. I hope you enjoyed 09, but I'm coming back stronger in 010. I have a lot of resolutions to make also. And I hope y'all stick to y'all resolutions, because every year on Facebook I see the same, oh, I'm planning on cutting people, I'm planning on doing this, I'm planning on doing that. Then the year gets here, and I see you doing worse than you did than the year before that. See, Frazier Boy get better by the year. I get better by the year. I get wiser. You feel me? When you get old, you just get wise, not stupid. You feel me? I mean, that's how I do around here. So I'll be back with an 010 special when the ball drop. And I catch y'all. Oh, yeah, Frazier Boy.